Hello children, good morning. Okay, what you all did yesterday? Yesterday is Sunday. Have you all enjoyed? Okay, have you all revised all the subjects? Very good. And in the last class, I told you lesson 2 Merchant's Notes classwork. Have you all read that one? Okay, very good. And now in this class, I want to tell you the new lesson. Lesson 3. What is our lesson 3 name? The rainbow fish. What is that lesson name? Rainbow fish. You know rainbow? When it is rainy, we can see in the sky 7 colors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with 7 colors, we will see in the sky like a half semicircle. So this rainbow is very colorful. Very colorful. In rainbow, we have 7 colors. We have how many colors? 7 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay? Once when it is cloudy, ask your parents that whether rainbow is appearing in the sky or not, or otherwise you watch it in the YouTube. If you type rainbow, you can see that. Rainbow is a is a semicircle and it contains 7 colors. 7 colors లో రంగులుగా ఆకాశంలో కనిపిస్తుంది అన్నమాట హాఫ్ సెమీ సర్కిల్ లో. అది మీరు వర్షాలు పడినప్పుడు మబ్బు ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు చూడొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? ఓకేమా? అండ్ ది కలర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద రెయిన్బో ఆర్ 7. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay? Okay. Now, in this beautiful story, the story is about the rainbow fish and it has beautiful scales. Okay. Once we will go to the story. Listen. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea. So, మీరు సముద్రంకి వెళ్ళారా? You went to sea anytime? Yes. You find many fishes there. Yes, we see many fishes in the sea. So among those fishes, rainbow fish is a very beautiful fish. So you know how to draw a fish? You know how to draw? You know how to draw fish diagram? Okay, learn now. Very easy. It has a beautiful scales on its body. Okay? Fish. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea. His scales shimmered with colors of the rainbow. Come, play with us, said the other fish. But the rainbow fish did not play with them. I am too beautiful, he thought. So, rainbow fish, it won't mingle with the other fish. It's very proud that I am a very beautiful fish. Why I have to go and mingle with the other fish? So, the rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea. His scales shimmered. Shimmered means shining. So, the scales of that rainbow fish are very shiny, merisipotu with beautiful colors. Okay? His scales shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. So, I told you rainbow colors. Have you all listened? Yes, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, 7 colors. So with that 7 colors and with the shimmering scales, it is shining like anything. The rainbow fish is very, very beautiful. But the rainbow fish did not play with them. So other fishes are there in the sea, but this rainbow fish did not play with them. I am too beautiful, he thought. I am too beautiful. Once a little blue fish asked for one of his shiny scales. So one small fish came and asked this rainbow fish, give me one of your shiny scale. But the rainbow fish just laughed. Never, he said. He did not give the blue fish any of his shiny scales. No, never. I won't give anyone my scales. So, it won't play with them. No, that's why it told that never, he said. He did not give the blue fish any of his scales. So, who asked this rainbow fish shiny scale? Blue fish. Blue fish, one small fish is there. That fish came to this rainbow fish and asked for one of the scale. But this rainbow beautiful fish told that I won't give anyone my scales. Okay. Next. After that, the other fish swam away from him. So this blue fish went to the other fish and told that this rainbow fish was very proud of her beautiful shiny scales. So we should not play with them. So all the other fishes avoided that rainbow fish. అంటే ఈ బ్లూ ఫిష్ వెళ్ళి అందరికీ చెప్పిందనమాట, ఒక్క స్కేల్ అడిగితే కూడా ఇవ్వలేదు రెయిన్బో ఫిష్. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్. సో we never want to play with rainbow fish. After that, the other fish swam away from him. The rainbow fish was all alone. So it was alone. So అన్ని ఫిష్లు ఈ రెయిన్బో ఫిష్తో ఆడుకోవటం లేదు, అసలు దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళట్లేదు, అసలు దూరంగా పెట్టేసాయి అన్నమాట. ఒక్కటే ఉంది రెయిన్బో ఫిష్. He went to the starfish for help. He went to the starfish. One starfish is there. It went to help. So this rainbow fish went to the starfish for help. So this diagram I will post in your group so that you can see number of fishes, types of fishes in the sea. Okay, octopus, blue fish, starfish, rainbow fish, small fish, blue fish, all the fishes, very colorful fishes are there in the sea. Okay, listen. The rainbow fish was all alone. He went to the starfish for help. Starfish దగ్గరికి హెల్ప్కి వెళ్ళిందనమాట. Why does not anybody like me? ఎందుకు నన్ను ఎవరు ఇష్టపడటం లేదు? Why does not anybody like me? He asked. Go ask the octopus. So octopus is there. Octopus, here it is. See, yellow color. Octopus. Okay, octopus. Why does not anybody like me? He asked. Go ask the octopus, said the starfish. She is very wise. So octopus is very wise. Octopus చాలా తెలివైనది. ఎందుకు నీ దగ్గరికి ఎవరు రావటం లేదో it will tell. Okay, the rainbow fish swam to the octopus. So octopus దగ్గరికి స్వామ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిందనమాట. స్వామ్ అంటే తెలుసా మీకు? స్విమ్ అంటే ఏంటి? స్విమ్మింగ్ చేయడము. స్వామ్. It swam to the octopus. Who? Rainbow fish. ఎందుకు? So this rainbow fish went to the octopus and asked, why the other fishes are not playing with me? The rainbow fish swam to the octopus. Give away your shiny scales, the octopus said. Okay, they are all asking for your shiny scales, isn't it? So give them. After that, you may not be as beautiful to look at, but you will have friends. So ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నారో చూడండి. నువ్వు కానీ ఈ స్కేల్స్ కానీ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేస్తే వాళ్ళు నీతో ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ చేస్తారు. నీకు స్కేల్స్ కావాలా, ఫ్రెండ్స్ కావాలా? ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ ద స్కేల్స్ టు దెమ్, you will have many friends. Otherwise, you don't have friends. You look beautiful. That's what they are all feeling, that with your beautiful, shiny scales, you are looking very beautiful. But they are feeling that why you are not coming and playing with them, and why should you be like that? So it's not correct. Yes or no? అలా ఉండకూడదు కదా, అందరూ కలిసి ఉండాలి. బట్ హియర్ దట్ ఆక్టోపస్ గేవ్ ద ఐడియా దట్ గివ్ ఆల్ ద స్కేల్స్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ సో దట్ దే విల్ కమ్ అండ్ డూ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆస్క్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు గివ్. ఈజ్ దట్ కరెక్ట్? నో, ఇట్స్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. ఎస్, ఓకే, లిజన్. The rainbow fish, but this rainbow fish also, it is also not correct. This fish also feeling proud that it's not going and mingling with others. అవునా? ఈ ఫిష్ కూడా దానికి స్కేల్స్ ఉన్నాయని చాలా ప్రౌడ్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యేది. అలా కూడా ఉండకూడదు కదా, ప్రౌడ్గా ఉండకూడదు. వెళ్ళి అందరి దగ్గర ఫ్రెండ్స్ లాగా ఉండి అందరితో ఆడుకోవాలి. బట్ దిస్ ఫిష్, rainbow fish used to be very pride that this has a shiny scales, but it should not be like that. Okay, that is the moral. We should not be pride and we should go and mingle with others. Okay, listen. The rainbow, okay, I can do that, I can't do that, cried the rainbow fish. What, octopus, what you are telling? You are telling that to give my shiny scales to the friends, but I can't do that. I want all my shiny scales. నేను ఎవరికి ఇవ్వను, నా షైనీ స్కేల్స్ నాకు కావాలి. I won't do like that, rainbow fish told. Suddenly the little blue fish was back. వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ blue fish. Little blue fish was back. Please, he said, could I have just one scale? Please give me at least one scale. Well, the rainbow fish thought, maybe just one tiny little scale. సరే, ఒక్కటే ఇస్తాను నీకు. So he gave the little blue fish one of his shiny scale. The little blue fish was so pleased. It made the rainbow fish feel happy. Soon all the other fish came and the rainbow fish gave away his scales one by one. Finally, he had only one shiny scale left. But now, as he swam off to play with his friends, he has the happiest fish in the sea. So whatever the friends asked, it gave all his shiny scales and played along with them and lived very happily. So మన దగ్గర ఉన్నది ఫ్రెండ్స్కి కూడా ఎప్పుడైనా సరే ఇవ్వకూడదు. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఏదైనా లేకపోతే మనం హెల్ప్ చేస్తాం. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? వి విల్ హెల్ప్ దెమ్. So the model is what we have to help others so that we will have more friends. If we won't help others, or if we sit that I am very proud to have this beautiful shiny scales, oh I have so many things, I won't give to others, it's not correct. Okay, so this rainbow fish also should not be proud like that. అవునా? ఇది కూడా ప్రౌడ్గా ఉండకూడదు. ఒక స్కేల్ ఇస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇవ్వచ్చు కదా, అవన్నీ అది తన చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉందని చెప్పేసి అని ప్రౌడ్గా ఉండేది. అలా ఉండకూడదు అనమాట. దట్ ఈస్ ద మోరల్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టోరీ. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ లెసన్. Once all of you, I will read the lesson once again. Please listen to the textbook reading. Okay, listen. The rainbow fish was the most beautiful fish in the sea. His scales shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow. Come, play with us, said the other fish. But the rainbow fish did not play with them. I am too beautiful, he thought. Once a little blue fish asked for one of his shiny scales, but the rainbow fish just laughed. Never, he said. He did not give the blue fish any of his shiny tails. After that, the other fish swam away from him. So it's a very proud fish. Why should we do friendship with this rainbow fish? Ani anni fishes దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోయాయి అన్నమాట. The rainbow fish was all alone. He went to the starfish for help. Why does not anybody like me? He asked. Go, ask the octopus, said the starfish. She is very wise. The rainbow fish swam to the octopus. Give away your shiny scales, the octopus said. After that, you may not be as beautiful to look at, but you will have friends. I can't do that, cried the rainbow fish. I want all my shiny scales. Suddenly, the little blue fish was back. Please, he said, could I have just one scale? Well, the rainbow fish thought, maybe just one tiny little scale. So he gave the little blue fish one of his shiny scales. The little blue fish was so pleased. It made the rainbow fish feel happy. Soon all the other fish came and the rainbow fish gave away his scales one by one. Finally, he had only one shiny scale left. But now, as he swam off to play with his friends, he was the happiest fish in the sea. Okay, this is the beautiful lesson. And now, I want to give you new words in this lesson. Please practice these new words and ask your parents to make you to write dictation. Okay? Okay, ma? All of you understood the lesson? Yes. So, we should not be proud of ourselves. We should help our friends. We should not be like rainbow fish. We should help. We should give what we have extra. Suppose you are having 3 pencils. If any one of your friend don't have pencil, what you will do? You will give one pencil. You will give one pencil to them. Yes or no? Or otherwise what you will tell? I have 3 pencils even though I won't give like that. No, you should help others. What you have, if you have extra, you have to help others. Okay? Beautiful moral, good moral is there in this lesson. And now I want to tell you some new words. All of you open your books or take your rub book. Write new words, ma. First word, beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. All of you write heading 3rd lesson, new words. Lesson 3, rainbow fish, new words in the first line. Okay. Lesson 3, the rainbow fish. Okay, write the lesson name and write new words. Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Second one, scales. S-C-A-L-E-S. Octopus. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Fourth one, suddenly. Suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Next. Fifth one, pleased. Pleased. P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pleased. Seventh one, laughed. Seventh one, laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. Okay? Copy down. Write slowly, ma. Once again I will repeat. Once again I will repeat. So you can write slowly. Next. Seventh one, shiny. Shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. Eighth one, wise. W-I-S-E. Wise. Next, rainbow. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. 10th one, share. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Okay. So once all of you listen, Beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Scales. S-C-A-L-E-S. Scales. Octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Suddenly. S-U-D-D-E-N-L-Y. Suddenly. Next. Pleased. P-L-E-A-S-E-D. Pleased. Next. Laughed. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. Laughed. Shiny. S-H-I-N-Y. Shiny. Wise. W-I-S-E. Wise. Rainbow. R-A-I-N. Rain. B-O-W. Rainbow. Share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. Okay? Okay, take a photo or pause the video and write the words. Okay, ma? So, in this lesson, rainbow fish, this lesson, one small activity is there about collective nouns. Collective nouns. So, match the group names in column A to the correct options in column B. So, here one matching was given. All of you see that match the following. A, B. Just you listen. No need to write anywhere. Okay? Just you listen. A bunch of. Collective noun means collectively together. With the nouns together. If a noun together more than one, so many are there. We will call it as a collective noun. Suppose grapes, bunch of grapes we will tell. Okay. Next, elephants, flowers, a bouquet of flowers, like that. A crowd of. So once you see this matching, so that it will be easy for you. A pride of. Next, a flock of. A herd of. A herd of. So here, B side, elephants, lions, people, grapes, birds. So a bunch of grapes, a crowd of people, a pride of lions, a flock of birds, a herd of elephants. Okay, this matching I will post this in your WhatsApp group. So once you all do this practice, okay, do this one practice. Okay, okay ma, enough for today. And in this class you listen to the lesson and I gave you new words, practice the new words, so that ask your parents to make you to write dictation and practice this match the following also one time, or just you listen. Later I will post this in your group so that it will be easy for you to copy down. Okay ma, take care, bye.